I'm a puppet called Fred, and this is a show about me.
Yeah. Who do you want to be?
I mean, I guess I just want to be like everyone else. I just want to be a regular guy.
Where do you want to start?
This is a barrel. I'm Fred, you're a Jack, you massive
Excuses are the nails used to make a house a failure.
Martin! No. I don't actually like kids. If there was one here now, right, I'd hit it in the face with a stick with on it.
Don't blame me, Fred. Blame the system. Bye-bye.
Yeah, well, I don't need you. I don't need anyone.
Right! Where have you put it? Be a pussy!
I feel like I've been stitched up.